In this video, I'll show you how to render your Blender scenes in the cloud, so you can get your renders back fast without tying up your local machine. We'll also explore Chaos Cloud Collaboration, and how you can use it to share images with colleagues or clients for feedback. Before uploading your scene to the cloud, start by setting up the render settings. Adjust the resolution to your desired output. Choose between the two sampler types, bucket or progressive. Set the noise limit. Lower values result in cleaner renders with less noise. Before committing to a high-resolution render, it's always a good idea to run a low-resolution test render to catch any issues beforehand. In the View Layer Properties panel, enable Light Mix, Denoiser, and any render channels you plan to use. Once everything is ready, go to the V-Ray menu and select Submit to Cloud. In the pop-up window, you can name the project and the current render job. After you click Submit, your scene will upload, and your default browser will open the Chaos Cloud website, where you can monitor the rendering progress. Rendering this image on my local computer took about 20 minutes, while the same task on the cloud service took only 12 minutes, with virtually identical results. Creating an animation, which can consist of hundreds of frames, can be very time-consuming, and sometimes requires multiple rendering machines. This is where Chaos Cloud can give you a hand, as it can render dozens of frames simultaneously. Chaos Cloud uses powerful remote servers, letting you render complex scenes without the need for expensive hardware. Next to the image, you'll find information about the render, including how many credits were used. In the upper right corner, you can track the remaining credit balance. Let's download the image. Use the Chaos Cloud Rendering app for faster downloads. Choose a folder, and the image will start downloading. Inside the folder, you will find the final render along with all the render passes and an EXR file, which can be used in any editing software, or loaded into the V-Ray frame buffer in Blender, where you can also apply color corrections. You can upload your image directly to Chaos Cloud Collaboration, where team members or clients can provide feedback. To do this, use the Save icon or access the option from the V-Ray menu. From the pop-up window, you can create and organize your projects, as well as rename your image. Once you're ready, upload the file. The Open in Cloud button will open the Chaos Cloud Collaboration directly in your browser. From the Settings menu, you can rename or remove the image. Click the Share button to give others access. Enter the email address of the person you want to share it with and choose a sharing option. The Editor option allows them to make changes to the image and the project. Once the invitation is sent, shared users can access the image from the Shared With Me tab. Comments can be added using the speech balloon icon and placed anywhere on the image. Basic drawing tools are available to help highlight specific areas. When you open the image, you can view and reply to all comments. Once you've made changes to the render, you can upload a new version. It can be compared with the previous one using a dividing line or side-by-side view. Try V-Ray for Blender and see how fast and easy cloud rendering and collaboration can be.